Hello everyone, welcome you all to the fourth part on integers of class 7 mathematics. In this session, we are going to solve next a few problems from exercise 1.1. Let's come. Here is the 8th question. Verify a minus of minus b equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. I repeat, in this question we have to verify that a minus of minus b equal to a plus b for the given pairs of values a and b. There are two subdivisions in the question. First subdivision, the value of a is 21 and b is 18. Then the second subdivision, the value of a is 118 and the value of b is 125. And also in the above statement, two expressions were given. One is on the left hand side, another one is on the right hand side. The left hand expression is a minus of minus b and the right hand expression is a plus b. Here is a solution of 8th question. Subdivision 1. Let a minus of minus b, which is equal to a plus b, be the equation. Now we are going to place the value of a and b in this equation. The value of a is 21 and b is 18. The equation is a minus of minus b, which is equal to a plus b. We have to verify both the equations are equal. Where a minus of minus b, we can place the value of a and b there. A is 21 and b is 18. Therefore, 21 minus of minus 18. Then we can take the opposite of minus, which is plus, and take additive inverse of minus 18 into plus 18. 21 plus 18. For the expression a minus of minus b is 21 plus 18. So, a plus b, which is equal to 21 plus 18. Therefore, 21 plus 18 is 39. For the expression a minus of minus b is 39 and for the expression a plus b is 39. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, verified a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. This is answer for subdivision 1. Here is second subdivision. In this subdivision, the value of a is 118 and the value of b is 125. Now we are going to place the value of a and b in equation a minus of minus b, which is equal to a plus b. A minus of minus b. The value of a is 118. Place the value there. 118 minus of minus. The value of b is 125. Minus of minus 125. Then the expression for a minus of minus b is 118 plus 125 and the expression a plus b is 118 plus 125. Both the expressions are equal. So 118 plus 125 is 243. Therefore, a minus of minus b is 243 and a plus b is 243. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified that a minus of minus b, which is equal to a plus b. This is the solution for second subdivision. Next, we can move to 9th question. In question number 9, use the sign of less than, greater than or equal to make the statement true. Subdivision 1. Minus 8 plus of minus 4 is one expression and minus 8 minus of minus 4 is another expression. Now, minus 8 plus of minus 4. What is the procedure for addition and subtraction? If two negative numbers are added, we will get the result in negative, and also same as if we are subtracting two negative numbers, we will get the result in negative. Therefore, minus 8 plus of minus 4. The procedure is we have to add the two negative numbers. What are the negative numbers here? Minus 8 and minus 4. Add the two numbers. 8 plus 4, 12. Which is greater number here? 8 or 4? 8 is greater number. Put greater number sign. Therefore, the expression minus 8 plus of minus 4 is minus 12. In next expression, minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus 8 we can write as it is. Take the opposite sign of minus. The opposite sign of minus is plus. To compensate the negative sign or opposite sign, take additive inverse of minus 4. The additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Next, how we can add one negative and positive number? The procedure is, we should have to take the difference of these two numbers. The numbers are 8 and 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And which is greater number here? 8 or 4 is greater number? 8 is greater number. Put greater number sign. After getting the results of these two expressions, now we can compare. Minus 12 is greater or minus 4 is greater. Here both the numbers are in negative. Minus 12 and minus 4. Just assume a number line. 0 is in the middle. Positive integers on the right on the number line, negative integers on the left on the number line. So when we are moving towards right, the numbers keep increasing. When we move towards left, the numbers were decreasing. So minus 4 and minus 12 are on the left side of the number line. So from the origin is 0. We will move towards minus 4. Then we will move towards minus 12. Therefore, minus 4 is greater than minus 12. In subdivision B, we have to compare both the expressions and put greater number sign towards the bigger expression. So, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 is one expression, and 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9 is another expression. We have to compare both these expressions and put greater number sign towards the bigger expression. Therefore, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Here addition and the subtraction operations were performed. First we can take minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7, one is negative integer, another one is positive integer. What is the procedure for adding one negative and positive? Take the difference of these numbers and put greater number sign. So the difference of 7 and 3 is 4. The greater number is 7. The sign of greater number is plus. Therefore, minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Then remaining which number is there? Minus 19. 4 minus 19. What is the procedure for subtracting two numbers? Two positive numbers? Write the number 4 as it is and take the opposite of minus. What is the opposite of minus? Plus. And to compensate the opposite sign, take additive inverse of 19. The additive inverse of 19 is minus 19. Then plus 4 minus 19. Plus 4 minus 19 means take the difference of these numbers, which means 19 minus 4 is equal to 15. The greater number sign is negative. Greater number is 19 here, put negative sign there. Therefore, the expression minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 is minus 15. Then the next expression is 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. Here also subtraction and addition operation is performed. First we can take 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, normally we know that 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 9. One is positive, another one is negative number, which means write a 7 as it is. Opposite sign of minus is plus. Take additive inverse of plus 9, which is minus 9. Therefore, the difference of 9 and 7 is 2. Put greater number sign. Here the greater number is 9. The sign of greater number is minus. Therefore, the expression 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9 is minus 2. Then we can compare. Minus 15 is greater or minus 2 is greater. Both the integer is in negative. Therefore, the negative sign which moves towards the left on the number line. Then minus 2 is greater than minus 15. Here is question number 10. It is a very interesting question based on practice application of integers. A water tank has steps inside it. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, which means that it is in the first step. The water level is on the 9th step. So for the first subdivision, he jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 ups. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? In this question, the monkey jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps up. In how many jumps the monkey will reach the water level, which means the water level is on the 9th step. This is the chart of water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step and the water level is at the 9th step. If he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps back, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? So the monkey is on first step. When it moves or when it jumps 3 steps down, which means step 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Now the monkey is on step 4. In first jump the monkey is on step 4. Then it jumps back 2 steps back. So 4 to 3, 3 to 2. So in second jump the monkey is in step 2. Again the monkey jumps 3 steps down. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So at jump 3 the monkey is in step 5. Then it moves back. Then it jumps back 5 to 4, 4 to 3. So at jump 4 the monkey is on step 3. Then again it jumps down 3 steps. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. At jump 5 the monkey is on step 6. Then it moves back 6 to 5, 5 to 4. So in 6th jump the monkey is on step number 4. Like the process is continuing till on 11th jump. In 11th jump the monkey reached the water level at step 9. And one thing, the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers. So when monkey is on step 1, when it jumps towards or when it jumps downwards, the integer is represented by negative, and when it moves back or when it moves up, it is represented by positive integers. This is the solution for 10th question. Monkey jumps 3 steps down. 3 steps down means plus 3. When it jumps down, it is represented by positive sign, and back 2 steps up. It jumps up means 2 steps up means represented by negative sign, which is minus 2. Therefore, when it moves down, it is represented by plus 3, and when it moves up, it is represented by minus 2. The monkey of jump can be represented here. First jump, the monkey was on first step, right? Then it moves 3 steps down. 3 steps down means it is represented by plus 3. Therefore, total which is equal to 4. So, finally, the monkey was in 4th steps, right? Then on second jump, he was in 4th step. Then he moves back 2 steps back. Therefore, it is represented by minus 2. 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. The monkey was now presently the monkey was at second step. Again on third jump, from second step, it moves towards down, which means plus 3 represented by positive 3. Therefore, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now the monkey is on 5th step. On fourth jump, from fifth step, it move back, represented by -2. Therefore, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now the monkey is in third step. Again, in fifth jump, the monkey jump from step number 3 towards means coming down plus 3 steps down, which is equal to 6. Now the monkey is in step number 6. In sixth jump, the monkey is in fourth step. Seventh jump, it is in seventh step. Eighth jump, it is in step number 5. In ninth jump, it is in 8th step. 10th jump, it is in 6th step. And in 11th jump, it reaches the water level, which is in step number 9. Therefore, monkey will reach 9th step in 11th jump. So in subdivision 2, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? So in previous subdivision, 3 steps down and 2 steps back to reach the water level. Now from water level to step number 1, he jumps 4 steps up. When it moves up, it is decreasing or put negative sign. Then it jumps back 2 steps down. It is represented by positive sign. So in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Clear, children? So after drinking water, he want to go back. For this, he jump 4 steps up, which is represented by negative sign, and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. So it is represented by positive sign. So in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? So how can you find solution for this question? This question also very simple and interesting. This is a simple chart for subdivision 2. Here at current position, the monkey is on step number 9. He needs to go back to step 1. How many jumps it will take to reach step 1? So at the current state, the monkey is in 9th step. He jumps 4 steps up. It is represented by positive number, and 2 steps down, it is represented by negative sign. So on jump 1, he is at step 5, and on jump 2, he is at step 7. And on jump 3, he reached 3rd step. Then he jumped back. On 4th jump, he reached 5th step. Finally, in 5th jump, he reached 1st step. Here's a solution for second subdivision. Monkey jumps 4 steps up. 4 steps up means it is represented by -4, and then it jumps back 2 steps down. 2 steps down, which is represented by +2. Why? Because means so now the monkey is in 9th step. When it moves up, it is represented by +4. 4 jumps up, and 2 steps down, it is represented by -2. Therefore, first jump monkey is in 9th step. When it moves up, which is represented by negative sign, therefore 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now the monkey is in 5th step. And from the 5th step, it jumps down, which means it jumps 2 steps down, then it reach 7th step, right? In second jump. Then for third jump, he reached the 3rd steps, and in 4th jump, he reached in 5th steps. Then at last, finally, on 5th jump, he reached 1st step. Therefore, the monkey will reach back the top step after 5 jumps. Here is third subdivision. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his move in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. From part 1 and part 2, we should have to give solution for following questions. According to part 1 and part 2, the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up is represented by positive integers. In subdivision A, the sum of minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in subdivision B represent? Negative sign is represented for moving downwards and the positive sign represented for moving upwards. Therefore, the sum of minus 8 represent going downward by 8 step means the sum of 8 represent going up by 8 steps. Here it represent his moves in part 1 and part 2. So in part 1, it moves 3 steps down, it is represented by negative sign, and moves up represented by positive sign. So minus 3 plus 2, 3 steps down and 2 steps up. The sum of all these jump is minus 8, which represent the monkey goes down by 8 steps. In moves in part 2, he moves 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So when it moves 4 steps up, it is represented by plus sign, and when it moves down, it is represented by minus sign. Therefore, the sum 8 in B represent the monkey goes up by 8 steps. So with this, we completed our first exercise 1.1. We will continue remaining topics in next session. Thank you.